Hey everybody!
What's up, guys?
Look who's here!
Hey!
Finally! Okay, so today is gonna be a really awesome, fun day. A day I've been looking forward to, and Victor too.
Yeah.
I'm getting an early Christmas gift, and I'll let you explain what it is because he talks better than I do about this stuff.
So for an early Christmas gift that she's talking about, I'm gonna go ahead and put an exhaust on her Mustang for her.
If y'all didn't know, I drive a Mustang.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna do a straight pipe Borla exhaust and free up some ponies a little bit for her.
I'm really excited because it's embarrassing when people rev and I rev and it's like, and it's like. So now I'm gonna be up there with the big dogs. No, I'm just kidding. But I'm very excited. We're gonna kind of go towards San Marcos because that's where it's at. So we have a little road trip to go on. But yeah, that's the plan for today. Okay, guys.
We're here.
We made it.
Here.
It's currently being worked on.
Yeah.
That's why it's loud. I look a mess, but
You look beautiful.
thank you.
Are you excited?
It's loud. Anyways, I'm very excited because he was asking if I was excited.
Yeah.
And I can't wait to hear how it sounds. We did have a change of plans of which one we were getting. What was it?
You put in the Flowmaster 10 series on it instead of the Borla exhaust.
Yeah. So, but we're doing that, and we trust him. He knows what he's doing. He's really well known, and he does a lot of work. So, we're letting him do his thing, and we're very excited.
Woo-hoo.
I can't even reach. We're at
ostentatious. Do you like it?
Yeah. It's really beautiful. It's huge.
Plants are everywhere.
Fun.
Oh, sorry. It's like a jungle.
What? Are you talking mess?
No.
I saw your mouth moving. What were you doing? Huh? You'll never find a pair of boobies this cheap ever again. I say let's get it. So we came over next door to Cactus and look what we found. Look at them. This is so hard to find and it's only $15.
That means we're getting it. Yeah. Oh, brother.
Buddha test. Victor's turn. Me when I buy plants.
First thing to point out.
Look at the whiskers. Big belly. I'm gonna touch it. What are these?
Catfish.
These are catfish?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Look compared to your hand. Oh my goodness gracious. It's humongous. He's coming.
Smile for the camera.